18 to 80, so killer with bandwidth. Could you tell me real quick what I was in here for a video?
Yeah, man.
I'm just trying to check it all out. Oh, is it smoking?
No, no, baby.
I was about to say, dang, dude. You're just blowing a fire out.
Like you want, man.
Yeah. So this is a full throttle. Is your main AGM battery or your lithium?
Yes.
Or
just that's the only battery.
Okay.
It's a full throttle, 6 amps.
So what all is in here for equipment wise?
Equipment, Sundown Audio, four NSV4s. Okay. Custom built by Brian Chamberlain, and Sound Digital amps. Right now running 2 Taramp AKs. They're just holding me over till the next build.
Okay.
And Sundown Audio mids and highs. A couple Mclaren Tweeters in the dash. Mechman 370 Alternator single. Okay. And Sky High audio wiring.
Awesome. Thank you, man. I like the dash. Is that kind of a custom rework on it, or what did you do here?
All I did was the steering wheel.
Really? Oh, wow. Nice. That's pretty sweet. It almost looks like... Oh, wow. It almost looks like there's a port in the dash. That's pretty cool. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Well, this is nice. Wow. You got like mirrors all in here too.
Huh?
I like the mirrors.
Oh, thanks, man.
It kind of makes it illusional.
Right, it makes it look deeper, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Even the white off the speaker makes it look like...
Yes, sir.
I get people asking me, oh, is there 6 of them or 10?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And is it, have you metered it?
Before I got it, it was metered.
It was? Okay.
It is 63.
Really? Whew.
I'm looking at 66, 67 after the rebuild.
Okay. Oh,
Got
wow.
some more power, a couple more alternators, more amps.
Awesome. What is this? I mean, I
lost my gauges, so I have an Apple in there with a Bluetooth run through the OBD2 port.
Oh, okay.
And
so you kind of can see that.
Yeah, I can see everything.
Genius. I like that.
Oh yeah. Then I got a Galaxy Note up here, runs the RGBs, all the lights.
Oh, wow.
I got tons of lights.
High tech, dude. I like it. That's pretty sweet. Everywhere. Looks good, dude. 6th order, so specs. Do you know the specs of the 6th order?
It's 1-to-1 ratio. It's tuned 18 to 80.
18 to 80, so killer with bandwidth.
It's everything. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
Sounds great on everything.
We both do it at the same
Sweet.
time. Cut it off, so.
Are you cooling off? Could I get a quick demo? If you...
Yeah, just give me 2 minutes.
Sure, man. Yeah, I'll let you do your thing.
2 more minutes and then
yes, sir.
We'll get you in there.
I like your blower to cool it off.
Oh, you got my ass in there? Yeah, I got your ass. You got a Photoshop. You got a Photoshop.
I'm not that skilled, bro.
super clean on that low note. Like crazy clean. I appreciate that, man.
Sure.
Holy smokes. Huh? That was like 19, 22, so around 21, 22 hertz. It's gotta be.
Let me get you something else.
Okay.
Speaker box vibrate the tag, make it sound like aluminum cans in a bag. You feel that BASS bass. You feel that BASS bass. Speaker box vibrate the tag, make it sound like aluminum cans in a bag.
Like 16, 17 hertz?
Yeah, 17.
Jesus, dude, I appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
Dude, that's, and it doesn't even bottom out. It's just clean.
moving.
Yeah, I appreciate it, dude.
Cool, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You can look me up on, I don't know if you know my channel, Mr. Loud, on Instagram.
What is it?
Mr. Loud.
Mr. Loud, okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Loud.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
Belt fastened, trunk rattling like two midgets in the back seat blasting. Speaker box vibrate the tag, make it sound like aluminum cans in a bag.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.